Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how maintaining elegance and femininity in hairstyles for women over 60 is about combining timeless style with easy maintenance. Your subscription means the world to me, fueling my passion and inspiring me to keep delivering amazing content just for you. Whether you want to flatter your face shape, embrace your natural texture, or showcase your style, I've got some stunning, timeless looks to share with you. These hairstyles blend practicality with charm, ensuring that women over 60 can look stylish and feel confident. Let's get inspired. The soft pixie cut. First up, let's talk about the soft pixie cut. It's a classic choice that radiates elegance and confidence. For an oval face, go for a sleek, polished pixie. For a round face, add height at the crown and keep the sides tapered to elongate your features. And for a square face, opt for soft, wispy edges to balance sharp angles. Pro tip: apply a lightweight mousse for texture or a smoothing cream for a sleek finish. And don't forget, bold earrings add a touch of effortless chic. The classic bob. Next, we have the classic bob, a timeless and versatile style. For a heart-shaped face, go for a chin-length bob with subtle layers to balance your jawline. If your face is round, try an angled bob that's shorter in the back and longer in front. It beautifully elongates your face. Pro tip: use a round brush while blow-drying for volume. Add soft waves with a curling iron to bring in a touch of glamour. The layered lob long bob. The lob, or long bob, offers length without compromising manageability. For fine hair, add light layers at the crown to create volume. For thick hair, layer the ends to reduce bulk and add movement. Styling tip: try a texturizing spray for soft waves or straighten it for a sleek, polished look. Don't hesitate to add highlights. It brings out dimension beautifully. Elegant updos. For special occasions, an elegant updo is a go-to choice. For a square face, leave a few soft tendrils around your face to soften your jawline. For a heart-shaped face, a side-swept bun adds fullness around the chin for balance. Pro tip: before creating your updo, apply a volumizing powder at the roots to keep everything in place. And don't skimp on the accessories. A jeweled pin or silk scarf can elevate your look instantly. Side-swept curls. Next, we have side-swept curls. These curls add a romantic, glamorous touch. For a round face, sweep curls to one side, adding volume at the crown. For an oval face, loose, flowing curls enhance your natural symmetry. Styling tip: use a medium barrel curling iron to create soft, defined curls. A deep side part adds drama and elegance. Finish with a shine spray for a polished, red carpet-worthy look. Natural waves. For a relaxed, feminine look, embrace your natural waves. If your hair is naturally straight, use a curling wand or hot rollers to create soft, beachy waves. If you have curly hair, enhance your texture with a curl cream or mousse. Style tip: pair this hairstyle with soft makeup and a statement necklace for a casual yet elegant vibe. The soft shag cut. The soft shag cut is effortlessly chic and perfect for volume and movement. For a round face, longer layers at the front elongate your features. For a square face, soft, face-framing layers help balance sharp lines beautifully. Styling tip. Apply a texturizing spray to enhance the layers and create a carefree, stylish finish. And there you have it. Elegant and feminine hairstyles tailored for women over 60. From sleek and simple to soft and romantic, these styles are perfect for enhancing your natural beauty and expressing your personality, confidence, and individuality. Me know in the comments which look you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone ready for a style refresh. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's looking for hairstyle inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.